Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we're making sweet potato and sausage soup. First, we're going to peel some clean sweet potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Sweet potatoes are amazing. One of the reasons they're so amazing is that they're great in sweet things and they're great in savory things. Yo, grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. Eat it. This is the size we're looking for. After we cut them all into bite-sized pieces, we're gonna set them aside. We're adding some olive oil to our Dutch oven. Then some sausage goes in. This is Italian sausage. And you can have it mild or spicy or whatever you want. We're gonna cook and break the sausage into pieces. When the sausage has browned, we're gonna pour in our chicken broth, just like so. Give it a little stir. Italian seasoning, salt, black pepper. Stir again. Sweet potatoes. Stir well. We're gonna bring this to a boil and turn up the heat. Now it's starting to boil, we're gonna reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 30 minutes. Our potatoes are fork tender. Now we're gonna add our clean spinach. Stir that in until it wilts. Turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. Look at that. This soup is really delicious. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Alright fam, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.